So what we have to do is, there is nothing. This guy here, this John Greaves, has no intention, nor would he ever have any issue with legacy justifiable players. He equally has a problem, just so that we've got a balanced POV here. He equally has a problem with wannabes. Two men and a dog, three women and a cat, Lord knows what, emerging in the middle of somewhere and saying, oh yeah, we're blockchain now. Really? Please check credentials. Please validate the party. You're not here to engender, support, or financially enable people who can say blockchain in joined up speaking. We are here to enable one of the most transformative changes to industry and commerce worldwide that has occurred in my lifetime, and that's a bloody long time, and in anyone else on this call's lifetime. But to do it, we have to have volition. To have volition, I'm afraid we need three things: standards, industry, that's the industry elements that want to join in, and one other thing, and Karen mentioned it, law. Oh my God, I hate it. I hate lawyers. I'm Shakespearean in my view of them, if you know your Shakespeare. As a result of which, I'd rather not, but at the same time, as Michael and I have discovered, thanks to Linda Gertz over the last 2 years, there's a lot of law want to be the law, but their understanding of the law that's required is appalling, Karen Kilroy. Appalling.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I mean, I can't even imagine pushing these blockchain through laws through fast without giving the folks time to be educated and understand what they're voting on. Like it can't be an overnight thing.